This is the Huawei P20 Pro. So the rumors are correct. This phone does indeed have 3 cameras. So you have a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor all the way to the left, a 40 megapixel RGB lens in the middle, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens on the right. Unfortunately, the rumors that the P20 will look just like the iPhone X is also true. So why do we need 3 cameras? Huawei says its software actually pulls information from all 3 sensors and combine them together for one photo that's more clear and brighter than usual. In fact, the phone can shoot photos at 5 times zoom, pulling data from the telephoto and 40 megapixel RGB lens, and the result, as you can see here, is pretty clear. Huawei's P20 runs on the same Kirin 970 chipset as the Mate 10. That means that dedicated neural processing unit is inside the phone too. The NPU can recognize scenes. So right here, the camera knew it was looking at food, and right now it's going to go into a portrait bokeh mode automatically as soon as it recognizes the lady. And now it's pointing at flowers and it's going to pump up contrast for a brighter image. The P20 can now shoot slow motion videos at 960 frames per second. That's very impressive. That's the same trick found in the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. But the most impressive camera trick may just be Huawei's AI image stabilization. The phone can now shoot long exposure shots like right here without the need of a tripod. So you see, I was shooting that long exposure shot while holding the phone with one hand, but yet the image came out clear. That's usually not possible on smartphones.